Okay, we're gonna be walking into this little area called Fisherman's Wharf, but they're setting up all kinds of cool stuff here, so we're gonna check it out. And we're also not too far from Sands and a hotel right there. Okay. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so let's go check this out. So they have a stage here, and looks like they have something getting set up there. Then also over there, there's like all these little food tents. So this little food tent area, and then there's some other food tents over in that area too. So they're over there and over here. And I can smell some of the food, it smells good. And this whole area is called Fisherman's Wharf. Galleria Lisboa. Let's just kind of walk in and check it all out. Gifts and art shops, Macau creations. And then of course we have the Rio Grill and Seafood. This one has churrasco, has Brazilian food. This is what it looks like here. So yeah, there's casinos here, and then there's a waterfront that we're gonna walk towards in a minute. This is a Brazilian churrasco. There's the menu looks like. Drinks. And there's a coffee shop. This is actually a really interesting area that doesn't really get much attention as you'd think it should. But part of it is because these buildings are really cheaply made. Like, they visibly look stunning, but architecturally they're like really cheap. So actually, like, if they would have created like a real building, this would be beautiful, and they had stuff that you could do up there. But these are usually, they just have like kind of fake rooms up there that are that they can't really do anything with it. Like, that'd be amazing if you could sit around and eat dinner, and I don't know, you could use up all this whole space. But most of these things are just kind of empty facades. But it's so beautiful though. Like, if it's just made with real material, it would be unbelievable. And then here we have the waterfront. So none of the ships, ferries are going, but that's where they would go to Hong Kong. Well, that one right there is predominantly Hong Kong. Some go to Shenzhen or other parts of China. Gonna keep on walking through here a little bit. Yeah, actually almost anything in this whole area would be deserving of its own video. So maybe we'll do kind of a generic one, and then maybe later we'll do some micro focus videos. Like this one over here, it's called the Africa Bar. I can tell you all about that in a little bit. But let's just finish this one. That's such a small little tree. It's gonna be massive someday. If you see those Brazilian flags down there, they're gonna have a Brazilian festival this weekend. Pretty cool. Oh, that music could kill my video. I hope not. It looks like it's a cover, so I just got to speak loud enough to cover over it. And then over here is called, used to be an Africa Bar, it's closed down. I kind of want to do a whole video about that. I think I'll... Oh, the music is coming from right there too. Dang, so loud. Okay, let's get out of here. Let's go back to the front, and then I'll do one on the Africa Bar as a separate video. Yeah, I don't know if you can see how facade-ish this looks. It's actually relatively new. I don't know if anybody's in there right now or not, but these are like not real bricks. It's just like just hollow. Feels like a typhoon could blow it all over. But it's also really beautiful and cool too. Okay, so we're gonna do a whole separate video just on that Africa bar in a minute. Hope you enjoyed this one. This is just generic Fisherman's Wharf. Chiquinha, chiquinha.